Hello, I'm John Leach. I'm going to give you a quick demo of Windows running on the Brightbox cloud. So first thing we need to do is find an image for the server. As you can see now, there's a Windows 2008 image available, official Brightbox one. We can use that to create a server just like any other. My Windows server. We'll make it a mini, which is I think got 1 gig of RAM, and we'll choose the image there. Now Windows servers can take a little longer than Linux servers to build. They take about a couple of minutes because the image is slightly larger. So here's one I built earlier that's already in active state. So we'll continue with this one. First thing I'm going to do is activate the console. And that gives us a password that's available for about 15 minutes, to which we can access the console. We open that in a browser. And we can set the administrator password. Oops, bad typing skills. So I've now set my password. It should log me in, but I don't really need it right now. I can switch over back to my console. We need to give this server a cloud IP now, so we'll create a new cloud IP and we'll map it onto that server that we just set the password on. So we're nearly there now. Our images have got the remote desktop service enabled by default, but our firewall doesn't enable it by default, so we need to open that up. So I'll list the rules for this policy. As you can see, it's allowing everything outgoing, and TCP 22 is SSH incoming, and TCP 80 and 443 incoming. So we'll add to that from anywhere protocol TCP dport equals 3389, which is the remote desktop, and we'll add it to that policy. And now we can connect in using remote desktop. What's that server ID? Oops. And there we are. We can log in using the password that we set. If I can type it correctly. There we are. And that's Windows running on the Brightbox cloud. So head over to brightbox.com. You can see the pricing details on there. The servers are billed as per the server type, as usual, as any other server you'd pay for, and then there's an additional hourly license for the Windows image, which increases in cost according to the size of the server type that you're using. So yeah, check the website for the pricing. Thanks for listening.